Hey guys, and welcome back to plumbingpartspro.com. Today I'm joined with a special little helper.
Hey guys.
And what we're going to do today is we're going to compare the differences between a basic low-end toilet and more of a mid-grade to high-end toilet, and show you the differences and compare those. So check out the video coming up next. So what we're going to look at today is your basic 2-inch flush valve entry-level toilet tank, and some of the advantages and disadvantages of these. So this here is just your basic everyday tank, and it's got a 2-inch flush valve in it. And what I mean by 2-inch flush valve is when you look at the bottom right here, this is the where the water travels through into the bowl to flush the waste. Okay, so Levi, will you hand me that tape measure?
Yeah.
Thank you. So what we're going to do is we're going to show the opening here, which shows 2 inches. See that?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's where when your water tank fills up and you hit this handle, hit the handle for me, all the water drains out of the tank, goes down in the bowl, and flushes your waste. So when you compare that, hold that for me please, to this American Standard Cadet Pro tank, look at the size of that flush valve hole. Okay, show me that tape measure. And if you measure this one measures 3 inches. So that's quite a bit more as far as how much water it lets through, or how quickly the water comes through. Okay, Levi, show a little comparison. What we're going to do is sit this here and sit that there, and you can really see the difference between this one here and this one here. So they're both 1.6 gallon toilets, and what it does is this one will flush, but this one's going to flush the same amount of water so much faster. It's going to give a more of a forceful flush, a better quality, a better strong flush. Another difference between a basic entry-level toilet and a higher-end good quality toilet is if you look at the connection here. Slide this up. This is your water fill supply. Uh-oh, we dropped something. So if you look at the connection here where the water line connects, this is a plastic shank here. Now we're going to compare it to the American Standard, which has a brass connection. So sometimes when you tighten that nut up on that seal, or the seal that connects between the supply line and this shank, sometimes you tend to over tighten it and it cracks this one. So then you got to replace it. Brand new toilet, and you got to replace that fill valve. Is where this one, even though you shouldn't over tighten it, it gives you less chance of having any issues with cracks. Another thing is the flush lever. You hold that for me? Okay, this flush lever here, it's all plastic, and if you look inside here, that lever assembly, the whole thing is plastic. And now we're going to compare that to the American Standard. Metal handle, more durable, and if you notice here, that is a brass lever. That only comes on the Pro Series toilet. Does not come on the basic American Standard Champion or Cadet Pro or Cadet. You have to get the Pro Series in order to do that. And another thing, Levi, why don't you help me grab that flapper in there? Would you grab that clear flapper and pull that out, and we'll set that up here. And what we'll do is we'll compare the two. I'll pull mine out. Okay, so this is where the water seals against the flush valve. And you see this rubber small tank flapper with this rubber attachment. It's not even a chain. A lot of companies cut corners. Is where the American Standard is a large plastic flapper, a nice siliconized seal here with a stainless steel chain. And just compare the two as far as the size difference. Remember we were talking about the cheaper toilet has the smaller flush valve, so it still flushes 1.6 gallons, as same as this, but this one just flushes it so much faster. So it gives you that quicker, stronger flush to get rid of that waste. And also, the Pro Series American Standard comes with the Fluidmaster Pro fill valve, and that's going to be a little bit quieter valve. So sometimes when you flush the toilet and the water's filling back up in the tank, it's not going to be as loud. That swishing or sloshing, gushing sound of the tank filling up in the American Standard. The traditional basic ones are going to be a lot louder than the American Standard. So there's a lot of advantages of the American Standard. I'm going to put a link in the description below of the tank here and the bowl, and so you can check them out yourself. Check out the reviews. The reviews are amazing. It's just a good quality. This is what I have in my house, and I wouldn't go with anything else. It's a 4188A is American Standard's number, and if you guys have any questions about it, comment down below. Smash that like button and give us a subscribe. If you want to know anything else about it, you can also email us, info@plumbingpartspro.com. Levi, do you have anything else to add?
Don't forget to smash this like button.
That's right. Smash that like button. Guys, you have a great day. Thank you for watching.